Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set avatar on Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, go to the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. You also need to make sure that you are connected to your stable internet. Now, find the set avatar option here and click on it. After that, you will be prompted with two options. You can either set the avatar from your camera or you can set it from your gallery. I'm going to use my camera to set the avatar in Bither Crypto Wallet. After taking the photo or choosing from a gallery, click on Done and your avatar will be set in Bither Crypto Wallet. So that is how you can set avatar in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.